Hello and welcome back to another end of the vlog mini chit chat. As you saw in the video, we were in Amsterdam. We visited last June and we stayed there for 4 days, but on our fourth day we left early to go back home. So technically we spent 3 full days in the city. Even though Amsterdam is very tourist dense, the energy and the vibe of the city was just so vibrant and lively that I instantly loved it. And it's definitely a place that I would love to go back again. And even though I haven't been to a lot of places yet in my lifetime, I think I can say that Amsterdam is one of the best places that I've ever been to. If you happen to be planning a trip to Amsterdam and you want to stay for a few days, I highly suggest getting the Amsterdam card. They offer different variations of it, like 24 hours, 48, 72, and then I think one more, but we availed the card that was valid for 48 hours, so we planned our trip around that because we wanted to go to a lot of museums, and with that card it was inclusive with a lot of museum entrance fees. Like I think most, if not all, I think Anne Frank and Van Gogh were not included there. Museum entrances, the regular fee is around 15 to 20 euros, but with that card you can enter for free. And then the card also covers the boat tour. You can rent a bike, although we didn't rent a bike because biking in the Netherlands is very scary and I'm not the most confident biker, so we didn't attempt that. So yeah, transportation, canal tour, bike tour, museum entrances, and a lot of other attractions are also included in that card. So if you really want to tour the city, then I highly suggest that you avail that card. You can buy it in their central station. Also, maybe I liked it a lot because we went during the weekdays, so the streets weren't as packed, but when we were leaving on Thursday or Friday, I think a lot of people were coming into the city, so I'm kind of grateful that we didn't book it on a weekend. Maybe I wouldn't have enjoyed it as much, although I highly doubt it. Just the city in itself, even without its museums and attractions, was just so beautiful. Their culture was so nice, and yeah, I would love to go back again and again. Anyway, this is part 1 of the vlogs. Part 2, we have day 2 and day 3, so I hope you stay tuned for that next week. Yeah, if you like this video, please don't hesitate to give it a thumbs up and a comment down below. Also, since you're already here, might as well subscribe to my channel. And that's it. See you next week.